officers, start the new year right. Start it with us over at Cap Direct. Do things differently. Just kind of like a fresh start, right? Anyways, fill out the information down below and we'll tell you why. So, what does Meritage, KB, Taylor Morris, Pulte, Lennar, and Toll Brothers, not the cookie, all have in common? I wonder what that could be. Well, they all saw their stocks slide. They took a dive in what's being called a correction late last week, and slide, boy, it was significant. So does this mean anything? I mean, what are people saying on the streets? Usually markets are good at predicting a future downturn. While the U.S. markets were doing fine in 2006, guess which stocks started tanking late in 2006? Yep, you guessed it. All of these builders. Houses sell better in low-interest environments. The Fed is slowing down those cuts. Is that true? However, the Fed doesn't control long-term rates, yet like the 10-year bill, they tend to follow the same trajectory. Now, when it comes to mortgage rates, the Fed's ability to go in and buy trillions in mortgage-backed securities does have a direct effect on interest rates, so I guess the answer there would be yes or no. This one is big. Sure, they can slow down, that being the builders, and when they do, they will lose their subcontractors and crews, which will mean people can more easily be the general contractors on their own builds and save a ton of money. Or general contractors will be more competitive to pay for their $80,000 to $120,000 monster trucks. That is kind of true, isn't it? And their lake houses. It all goes hand in hand. And this is a reason why I think it's very interesting. Does the cartel known as the National Association of New Home Builders create an opportunity for a new market of smaller, efficient builders? The answer is absolutely yes. Now, we have seen this over here at Cap Direct from our own origination businesses, and we, as a company, we crowdsource all of our marketing ideas. This is one of the ones that we found. Here's the results that we've gotten. It's been very promising. For me personally. In fact, we have made cottage-sized builders a massive part of our 2025 campaign. Today, for example, we're meeting with a local builder where we will get their business and we will be providing fully approved buyers with lots and builds that we source. We become kind of the proxy builder. We are using the FHA and VA Home Ready loans along with the high LTV conventional loans, where you can acquire the land for up to 100% at great rates. We've mobilized our agents to share with their clients our unique approach and are building a marketing package of homes that we can get built for them on their chosen lots. That's the 2025 approach. It's identify the market, find a need, fill that need, and become indispensable. That's our Cap Direct way, and it works. Because here's the alternative. According to a White House written brief from late last week, the cost of anti-competitive pricing algorithms in rental housing, the cost of renting has become intentionally manipulated to hurt the renters. Quote, while the root cause of high housing costs is the undersupply of housing, insufficient competition in the housing industry exacerbates the costs significantly. In this CEA analysis from the White House, we qualify the anti-competitive impact of algorithms pricing on rents across the country to demonstrate how households are harmed when competition in rental housing is weakened. We find that anti-competitive pricing costs renters an algorithm utilizing buildings an average in $70 a month. In total, we estimate the cost to renters in 2023, it was $3.8 billion. Rental housing has done this to you.
Timber!
They need sentiment, man.
You've all been had. And renters, well, it's just going to continue to get worse. I mean, way worse. So yeah, buying a house or building a house is a great alternative. And finally, Christmas is tomorrow. Make it a great one. You don't have any better options on the table, and enjoy time with your family. Because even though your job, it's difficult right now, I get it. You're not exactly mopping hot tar on a rooftop. So Merry Christmas, and I do mean that. And now, just get your ass back to work. I hope this helps.
We don't buy these houses to live in. We buy them in bulk, shrinking the number of homes on the open market, skewing mortgage rates, and exacerbating the housing crisis. Then, thanks to low supply, we charge whatever we want for rent. It's all part of our company motto.